If you're looking to restore the smooth operation of your Jeep Wrangler JK doors, the Kentrol Delrin door hinge liners are the perfect solution. These door hinge liners are designed specifically for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK 4-door models and are made to work seamlessly with OE door hinges. Made from black Delrin, a durable and low-friction plastic, these liners are maintenance-free, providing a long-lasting, smooth operation for your doors. Over time, factory-installed door hinge bushings can deteriorate and cause the doors to open and close with difficulty, making it harder to remove and reinstall them. The Kentrol Delrin door hinge liners replace these worn-out bushings, restoring smooth functionality and making door removal a breeze. With these liners, your Jeep doors will open and close with ease, just like new. Installation is simple and straightforward. To replace your old bushings, first remove your doors and use the included door bushing removal tool along with a hammer to take out the factory bushings. Once removed, slide the new Kentrol Delrin door hinge liners into place, reinstall your doors, and you're done. You'll be amazed at how smoothly your doors move back and forth. This kit includes 8 high-quality Delrin door hinge liners and 1 door bushing removal tool, making it easy for you to complete the installation on your own. The product is specifically designed for use with OE door hinges, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. One customer shared their experience, mentioning how they initially struggled with the removal of their old bushings but eventually used a 1/2-inch drill bit to drill out the old aluminum bushings. After that, the new bushings slid in easily, and the doors now operate like new. They were extremely satisfied with the result, and the entire process only took about 20 minutes for all 4 doors. If you're ready to restore the functionality of your Jeep's doors and experience smooth, effortless operation, the Kentrol Delrin door hinge liners are the perfect upgrade. Click the link in the description to purchase yours today and get your Jeep running like new again. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and product reviews.